6 months. Just 6 months. Do you realize how much your life can change in 6 months? 6 months from now, one version of you will still be trapped in the same cycle. Same excuses, same regret, same late nights, same promises that never became reality. But another version of you will be stronger, sharper, more confident, more disciplined. And the scary part? Both versions are being created right now by the choices you make today. Every single day, you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. Most people think quitting porn is about resisting urges. No, it's about taking your future back. Because let's be honest, nobody dreams of becoming addicted. Nobody wakes up and says, I want to waste my focus. I want to lose control over my mind. I want to feel weak when nobody is watching. It happens slowly, one decision at a time, one excuse at a time, one relapse at a time, until one day you look in the mirror and realize you've become someone you never wanted to be. But here's the good news. If small choices can destroy a life, small choices can rebuild it too. Imagine yourself exactly 6 months from today. Picture that version of you, the version that stayed disciplined, the version that kept showing up, the version that stopped running away from discomfort. Imagine waking up with a clear mind, looking people with confidence, having energy, having self-respect, having control over your actions. Do you know what confidence really is? It's not looking good. It's not being rich. It's keeping promises to yourself. And every day you beat an urge, you keep a promise to yourself. Every day you choose discipline. You build trust with yourself. Every day you choose your goals over temporary pleasure. You become stronger. Because discipline isn't punishment. Discipline is self-respect. Right now, there are people your age building businesses, getting fit, learning skills, preparing for exams, building futures that will change their family's life forever. And the question is, what are you building? A future or an escape? Because every hour spent escaping is an hour stolen from the person you could become. The truth hurts, but it can also set you free. Your future doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs a committed version of you. You don't have to win for 6 months. You only have to win today, then tomorrow, then the next day. That's how comeback stories are written, not in one giant moment, but in hundreds of tiny victories that nobody sees. The workout nobody wanted to do, the book nobody wanted to read, the urge nobody wanted to resist, the decision nobody wanted to make. Those moments create champions. And one day, 6 months later, you'll look back at this version of yourself, the confused version, the distracted version, the version that doubted himself, and you'll smile, because you'll realize something. The comeback was never about quitting a habit. The comeback was about becoming a new person, a stronger person, a disciplined person, a person who finally took control of his life. So when you're about to give up, remember this, 6 months will pass anyway. The question is, when those 6 months are gone, will you meet a stronger version of yourself, or the same person making the same excuses? The choice is yours, and it starts today.